Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning in. So I love checking out video equipment and audio equipment. That's definitely part of some of the things that I really love checking out. In addition to all some of the crazy gadgets and gizmos that are out there that you've seen on the channel. But some stuff, I've been checking out some products by the brand Comica. A lot of audio products. They have some video products as well. But I've been really impressed. Not only is the price point pretty inexpensive for like the boom microphones and things like that, but I just got this from them, which is the Comica wireless pack. It's WM100. And for the most part, it's a UHF wireless microphone pack. It comes with a receiver and 2 microphones. So if you don't want to run a wire that goes to the phone or to a mixer, whatever video equipment you're using to run the audio for a lapel, and maybe you're too far away to use a shotgun mic, wireless microphones are really the way to go. So right now, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box of the WM100 Plus. So you'll see it comes with 2 of the microphone units right here, and then the 1 receiver unit. So you have that all ready to go, so you can already hook it up. It says it's a 100-meter working distance, which means it can go up to 300 feet. My experience in the past, if you get to 300 feet, you're probably going to get some interference, but I will test it out in a review, so make sure to stay tuned on that. Dual mic trigger, real-time monitor, says it's good for XLR, input, DSLR cameras, and for smartphone, so looking forward to checking this out. Just some quick facts on here. It says the duration for the battery time is about 6 hours, 1/4 wavelength wave antennas, 3.5 socket. It takes 2 AA batteries, but it also has external power option for micro USB. So there's a bunch of other information here about gain controls. You have your different channels you can select. So actually, let's go ahead and see what's inside the box here. So let's open this up. One thing I love about Comica, a lot of the things that I've gotten from them so far, they all have cases. Really cool. I love getting cases, especially with audio, video equipment, because a lot of times you just don't have anywhere to store it. So it comes with a nice looking gray case, you can see right here. Really nice finish on it. And then inside, we can take a look and we can see all the different items that comes in the box here. So this is in the front sleeve here, and again, they look a little more messy than what they originally came with. But in the box, we're gonna get 3 of these little clips here. And these go on the microphone and the receiver pack. They're the belt clips, so that's pretty cool. You got that, you just gotta set those up. Have the wireless microphone itself. You know, looks like pretty decent quality, some metal here. I mean, using other higher end microphones, I mean, it looks relatively close to what I've seen with those. So you got your mic clip, and actually this mic clip is actually metal, which is really nice. A lot of times you'll get them and they are plastic. Here's the XLR connector, so you're going from a 1/8 jack to an XLR input if your device supports that or needs that. A USB cable, so you can get that external USB power, which is really cool. You can probably use one of those backup batteries that you charge, and you can probably just provide additional power if you need it if you're going more than that 6 hours. So here's 2 little wind screens that come with it. They look like a little tail from a raccoon or something. So you get 2 of those to kind of really lower the wind sound if you're using that. A lot of times you won't see these so much on lapel microphones because they do take up a lot of space, so you would see it on someone's tie like that. It's kind of big, but it is a cool option to have. We have our second microphone here, same as the first there, so you can use on the second pack. A mount to go on a tripod. Right there, you got your little quick mount actually as well, and a little mount there. So this can actually probably slide into a hot shoe as well. So just looking how this is set up. You may be able to get it on the tripod if you have the hot shoe connector, but this is for going on top of a camera to slide into the hot shoe so you can mount the receiver, which is cool. A lot of times it doesn't come with anything like that, and you got to kind of jury rig something to really make it work. Here's just another cable, so this is going to go from your receiver to the camera input. And again, I really love the quality of the bags that they give you. They really don't cheap out. And just as I said before, check out some of the other reviews. If you're doing YouTube channel stuff or other small videos, their stuff is really great. I mean, really just blown away just compared to knowing the prices of how expensive some of those big shotgun mics are. And even these wireless packs, this was like $100 and something, really not bad at all. So this is the receiver right here. Now the one thing I will say, compared to some of the other higher end, you know, $500+ ones, they're typically metal or surrounded with metal. So this is like an all plastic case. So, you know, whether or not it might be impact resistant, but if you drop it, you know, it may crack. So, you know, that's the only downside. I would like to see some metal on this, just personally. And we'll talk about that a little more in the review. So you have the little mount right there, so you can sit it right on top of the camera, which is really cool. So it doesn't sit straight up and down. It's going to sit horizontal like that. Then you can easily access. In the back, got our spot for our AA batteries, USB input, and then you have your frequency set, your A channel or B channel, as well as your output to the camera and headphones that you can monitor. And the cool thing about this case, it's all pre-cut, so everything fits right back in it. Really, really great. This is one of the transmitters that the microphone go in. So you get your mic, you get your line in, depending on, you know, what you're working with. Maybe you're doing some type of audio board mix, so you can go line in right there. Same setup for the most part. You're going to want to make sure, you know, one's the A mic, one's the B mic. And you have a mount here as well if you needed it. But that other piece that I showed you before, I'm not going to put it in. Well, I guess I could kind of put it in here. Oop. So I'm not going to do it right away because I got to really read and see how it goes on. But traditionally, it would sit just like that, and that goes on the person's belt pack. Really, really nice. And then we have the second one there as well. Again, all plastic, pretty lightweight. Once you put the batteries in, it will have a little more weight to it, but I would like to see some metal protectors on it. Besides that, I'm really looking forward to checking this out. You know, sometimes you just don't want to run the wires, you know, either for, or don't have the space for a shotgun mic. Maybe the talent's too far away. You're doing an interview, or you can even maybe, you know, combine it. So if you're running some type of wireless mixer, you can combine these along with a shotgun mic to really get great sound. So here, this is the WM100 Comica Wireless UHF mic pack. Looking forward to checking it out in a full review. Make sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, click that little bell icon to stay up to date with us with everything that I do here on the channel. And again, thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews, and we'll see you soon.